As I work through the different things that are slowing down this website and any website, I'm spending a lot of time in developer tools. And one of the things that I couldn't quite figure out, I see this thing here called Initiator jQuery at 107.4 kilobytes, which is substantial enough. And I'm trying to figure out, well, what is that telling me? That doesn't give me enough information, but there is a link here, as there are with a few of these other ones. So I clicked on the link, and it gave me this. Well, that doesn't really tell me a lot. I mean, I've got jQuery here and CompuMatter here. But then I found out by clicking on this bottom one, and I noticed it had a line number there. Let me point that out again. You see this line number. That was my tickler that said, well, wait a second, this might lead to a specific piece of code. So I clicked on it, and sure enough, it tells me exactly what jQuery code has cost me, in this case, 108 kilobytes, which is more than 10% of a megabyte. Update. Now, I remember I was working on a while back the idea of showing a progress bar as the site was loading. Well, you don't need a progress bar if your site is loading as quickly as it needs to be. That's the bottom line. You click on the network tab, you click on any one of these. I found out also, for instance, this one here says browser tab child, but that clearly is the same number. So when I get rid of that, this will go away at the same time. I know that's a YouTube functionality. When I see Y2 image widget tappy.js, if I click on that, we've got some information over here. There's a YouTube frame. So evidently I've got a YouTube video in the mix. It's going out and getting 70 kilobytes worth of data. And then it shows me where that happens. And the rest of them are inconsequential. But I am going to get rid of that 107 kilobytes, that big piece of code, just by realizing it exists. I would not have known otherwise. Hope this enlightened you as well.